welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Teli. So this is actually my first vlog. I've never vlogged and I'm quite a bit nervous, but I'm super excited to do this. And yeah, that is everything for now. So today I'm going to the beach. I decided to go to the beach because I've been busy, tired, like just a mixture of unnecessary emotions, and I decided to go to the beach today to get some relaxation, you know, just have some fun and relax my body. So come along with me, let's go to the beach. Okay, so I'm at the mall right now. I decided to come to the Junction Mall to be able to get some stuffs so that I go to the beach. So from here we are going straight to the beach. So come along with me. I'm just getting a few stuff. Come along with me. Come along. So guys, before entering the mall, if you have any kind of big bag that, you know, a thief can steal something and put it, you have to come and leave it here first before you can enter the mall with this gentleman.
And maybe you have some items that you have.
Okay.
So let's see.
Okay. So that is it. Let's go inside. Thank you. Isn't it beautiful? The name Titanic Beach is originated from a boat that sank over here. I still don't understand why. Like, no, I don't understand. Like, did the boat sink at the shore, or like it sank in the middle of the sea somewhere, and automatically this whole place was named Titanic or something? I'm yet to ask that question, because whoever told me yesterday was just like passing through. So I'll go back and make my research, and maybe in another video I'll let you know how this happened. That's made this whole beach be called Titanic. Yeah, so let me finish eating, guys.